Yo, let me tell you, people love to hate on dreamers. When I told my family I was gonna make $1,000,000 in a day, they laughed me out of the room. Get a real job, they said. Stop watching those silly videos. But I knew deep down, things could be different. I just needed a plan. Truth be told, I was dead broke. Jobless, behind on rent, eating ugali and sukuma wiki like it was going out of style. My phone was my only lifeline. I had my trusty Safaricom line and endless data bundles. That's all I needed to hustle. Day and night, I was glued to that screen. I researched everything: e-commerce, digital marketing, how to make money online. That's when I stumbled upon dropshipping. The idea was simple. Sell products online without ever touching inventory. Genius! Now everyone knows TikTok is where it's at. I found trending products, built a simple online store, and started making TikToks. I'm talking funny skits, product demos, the whole 9 yards. I knew I had to go viral, then boom! One video showcasing these cool Maasai-inspired phone cases blew up overnight. Millions of views, thousands of comments, orders flooding in. I couldn't believe my eyes. My phone was literally buzzing off the hook. Look, I'm no different than you. I didn't have some secret formula or a rich uncle. What I had was grit, determination, and a whole lot of data. I put in the work, believed in myself, and manifested my dreams into reality. The online world is your oyster, my friend. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Find your hustle, put in the effort, and watch your fortunes change. It all starts with a single step. Now go out there and make it happen.